Rewinding the clock back to the Democratic Republic of Congo's election in 2023, President Félix Tshisekedi was confirmed as the victor despite widespread irregularities. Malfunctioning voting devices, unopened polling stations, and ballot stuffing were among the many issues that marred this election. Similar accusations were made in Zimbabwe's elections, with claims of voter intimidation and fraud. These instances provoked calls for SADC leaders to uphold electoral standards and ensure fair and transparent elections in member countries. Fast forward a few months, and South Africa, one of the SADC's key members, was grappling with its own challenges. From power cuts to corruption and high unemployment, the government in Pretoria was struggling to provide for South Africans and fulfill commitments to neighboring countries. This scenario was paralleled in Zimbabwe, where under President Mnangagwa, the nation faced economic woes, corruption, and repression. Amidst this turmoil, the upcoming elections in Zimbabwe were marred by restrictions on opposition activities and a controversial law criminalizing dissent. Come election time in Zimbabwe, the opposition leader, Nelson Chamisa, alleged fraud after President Emmerson Mnangagwa was declared the winner. The Zimbabwe Electoral Commission announced Mnangagwa won, with 52.6% of the votes against Chamisa's 44%. International observers reported voter intimidation, and Chamisa challenged the results, claiming they were hastily assembled without proper verification. Despite these allegations, Mnangagwa denied any fraud and insisted the elections were transparent. So where does this leave us? The question remains, can SADC's election report alter the course of Zimbabwe's future? To summarize, the role of SADC in Zimbabwe's future is multifaceted and complex. The organization was called upon to uphold electoral standards following the disputed elections in the Democratic Republic of Congo. As the political climate in member countries such as South Africa and Zimbabwe grew increasingly volatile, the need for SADC's intervention became more apparent. However, Zimbabwe's controversial election, marred by allegations of fraud and voter intimidation, has put SADC's role in ensuring fair and transparent elections under scrutiny. In the grand scheme of things, the power to shape Zimbabwe's future lies not only with SADC, but also with the collective will of the people and their desire for a democratic society. Only time will tell if SADC's election report will serve as a catalyst for change in Zimbabwe's political landscape.